For the Canik MC9 Prime, first things first, we want to make sure we're clear. Absolutely zero ammunition inside of it. Take the web of your hand, take your thumb, ride it up against that dovetail. We're going to wrap some fingers across the top and just simply slide back. So practice that, digging in, pulling in, pull back. Now you're going to notice the two tabs here, both on the left and the right hand side. I take my thumb and my finger here, and I go ahead and pull down, pull the trigger, and push that forward. Now for the Canik, one thing that I've learned, I come from Glock and Walther platforms, is that all you have to do is come about a 3/4 inch off the back end here, and you go ahead and lift off. Super, super simple. Now, when I disassembled this for the first time and went to go put it back together, I came back from the front and pulled it back, just like your Glock, if you're familiar with that platform. The issue is that it got locked up on me and I couldn't figure out how to get it back. You'll notice that it gets stuck here and there's no way to get it back onto the frame. So I freaked out, brought it back to the store. The guys there were able to help me out. They were familiar with this problem, but we had to troubleshoot it for a little bit. Very simple solution in order to fix this, so you don't have to freak out like I did. As you'll notice here to the left of the spring, all you have to do is depress that and remove it off of the slide stop. Comes off very easy, so don't freak out. That's a simple solution there. In order to complete the field strip, now what we want to do is we take the spring, we're going to take our thumb, we're going to push it forward. That's going to go ahead and release it and just simply pull that out. Next thing is the barrel. Push forward, that pops that up, slides it out. So now you have successfully field stripped your Canik MC9 Prime. Now for the reassembly, simply just grab the slide, make sure that these hooks are up, slide that barrel back in. We take the spring, find the proper way, and it sits right back in that notch there. And putting it back on again, the Canik MC9, we just put it right back on top. Find that sweet spot, pull it back, clear, and now you have a reassembled Canik MC9 Prime.